Is your Chevy Trailblazer key fob not working as reliably as it used to? A weak battery is the most likely culprit. This video will guide you through replacing the battery in your 2021-2025 Trailblazer key fob, restoring its range and functionality. Doing it yourself saves time and money compared to a dealership visit. Expect the replacement to take only 5 minutes. Your Chevy Trailblazer key fob uses a CR232 3-volt lithium coin battery. This is a widely available and inexpensive battery. Using the correct battery is crucial. Incorrect types can damage the fob's electronics. You can find CR232 batteries at most drugstores, hardware stores, auto parts stores, and online retailers like Amazon. A pack of these batteries typically costs between $3 and $10. For replacing the key fob battery in your 2021-2025 Chevy Trailblazer, you'll only need one simple tool. A specialized plastic pry tool is ideal for gently separating the fob case halves. Alternatively, a small, thin, flathead screwdriver can work if you apply pressure carefully. The key is to pry gently along the seam to avoid scratching or breaking the plastic housing. Always avoid sharp metal tools that could cause damage. Locate the small seam on the key fob casing. This is where the two halves of the fob connect. Insert your flathead screwdriver or opening tool into the seam and gently twist. Work your way around the seam to separate the two halves. Be careful not to apply excessive force, as this could crack the plastic casing. Once you've created a gap, you can usually pry it open the rest of the way with your fingers. With the key fob open, you'll see the CR2032 battery. Note the battery's orientation. The positive plus side should be facing up. Use your fingertip or a small tool to gently pry the old battery out of its holder. Now, insert the new CR2032 battery, making sure the positive plus side is facing up. The battery should snap into place easily. Once the new battery is securely in place, align the two halves of the key fob casing. Press them firmly together until they snap back into place. Ensure that all the edges are flush and that there are no gaps. The key fob should now be securely closed. After reassembling the key fob, test its functionality by pressing the lock, unlock, and panic buttons. The vehicle should respond accordingly. Press the lock button. The vehicle doors should lock. Press the unlock button. The vehicle doors should unlock. Press the panic button. The vehicle's horn and lights should activate. If the key fob still doesn't work, double-check that the battery is installed correctly and that it's a fresh battery. In rare cases, the key fob may need to be reprogrammed, but this is usually not necessary after a simple battery replacement. To extend your key fob battery life, avoid exposing it to extreme temperatures. Both high heat and cold can drain the battery faster, so store it in moderate conditions. If you're still having issues after replacing the battery, such as reduced range or non-responsive buttons, consult your Chevy Trailblazer Owner's Manual for specific diagnostics or visit a qualified mechanic for reprogramming if needed. Keep an eye on future key fob technology. Trends are moving towards smartphone integration with digital keys, potentially eliminating the need for physical batteries. Additionally, many newer models now use mercury-free batteries in response to environmental concerns and regulations.